Yo, Pierre, you want to come out here?
Yeah, young chneid. Okay, you know we coming in the game from straight up out of nowhere, raised up in the LBK. I'm sure that everybody knows where. It's a nice little town, and yeah, you know it ain't no Times Square, but I still be flexing, you can see it on my underwear. I'll be going 30 miles per hour down the highway. Maybe I'll just turn into a hawk and then I'll fly away. Anyone who tries to step up on me needs to back away. Whoever thought a rapper would come from Little Sweden, USA. Don't even have a studio, nothing very high tech. Might even pull a Lonely Island, wear my chain and turtleneck. Now that I'm a rapper, I'm just worried about my paycheck. But I'll never forget the days I had down here at Vision Tech. Yup. Hey, young chneid. Here we go. Alright, you know it.
Young chneid, yeah, 2 Pint. Yeah, the name's 2 Pint, and I'll post you up like a billboard. All my life I work hard to buy things you can't afford. Your life is just a game, I'll play you like a checkerboard. I took the risk on the street, now here's my reward. Yeah, I had to struggle to even get anything. Now I'm at the top, and they peep in my diamond ring. No one challenged the throne, so now I am the king. See you, show no mercy, pull the bow, let go the string. Yeah, 2 Pint, cause the first pint had a twin. Throwback to when I could never even get a win. Yeah, boys in the streets, they be thinking that they hard. I'ma show them that they not when I take them to the yard. Yeah, I'm reviving this beat, they can't handle the Kansas heat. When I'm mad I don't go tweet, come at you like I'm elite. Yeah, young chneid bringing it to the top. Don't go contest bro, you will get dropped. We don't press the brakes, we do not stop. In and out this rap, you can call me special ops. Yeah, hey, young chneid. Hey, young chneid.
2 Pint in the building, but I'm still here and I'm ballin' out. We the best rappers in the game, you know we hooked up with the clout. Make 'em shout, run 'em out, man, you know what we about. You say you are better than us, man, I doubt. Used to be nothing, nobody knew my name, but ever since I started rapping, I'm just trying to get some fame. If you tryna come up now, it must be such a shame to be behind 2 Pint and I, the best in the game. Young chneid out.